Hello and welcome. This is Roy. I'm sharing with you an extended clip taken from a video I've just recorded, 61 minutes video. And I hope you like the clip. If you like further information about my website, my service, please stay on after the clip ends and I'll talk to you again. Hope you enjoy the clip. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. I want to wish first my viewers an excellent 2011. I hope that this year will prove to be the best year yet in your life, that you will succeed in every aspect of your life. I hope that the global village will experience improvement in every aspect, that we will see betterment in the conditions of life for billions of people on our planet. I want now to make some general comments concerning the markets. I think that the dollar is heading for a really tough time. I'm going to go through some very important charts, both looking at the paper monetary system, through the forex pairs themselves and through the commodities. There is a very clear message coming out of charts, for example, like silver, copper, and of course gold. You will see that we are really dealing with literally the breakdown of the paper monetary system. Inflation is absolutely exploding. If you haven't felt it yet, you are certain to feel it within the coming months. And anyone who stays invested in paper money, in keeping cash, for example, in dollar, is just the worst thing you can possibly do. I think the stock markets may be ready for the correction. I think they are already undergoing a correction in Europe. And in the US, I think that they may be ready to start that. I will specify specific levels for you to watch. If those levels are broken decisively, then I think we are on our way. And I'm calling it a correction. I'm not calling it a collapse or a crash. I don't think that the market is going to crash. And certainly the target of March 2009, I don't think is likely to be retested. At least that's what I see now. And that's about it. I will go now through the list of the charts that I will be looking at, quite a long list of charts. I'll begin with the dollar index, and then the US dollar South African rand, British pound South African rand, British pound Swiss franc, British pound Japanese yen, and then gold, silver, high grade copper, Brent crude, natural gas, UST bond, that's the March 2011 contract, and then TYX, TNX, TLT, and then stock markets, TSX, SPX, Dow Transportation Average, the BKX, and then European indices, the CAC 40, Italy's MIB, the FTSE 100 of the UK, and I'll terminate the video with a look at ExxonMobil. This is the monthly chart of silver. And what you see in front of you is real. I didn't paint anything here. Everything you see on this chart on the screen here is absolutely real. Let me repeat, this is not a makeup, this is real. What you see here is the total and sheer and conclusive proof of the breakdown of the paper monetary system, right here in front of your eyes. Anybody who comes to talk about deflation, I think should have his head checked. The sooner the better, because this is not something that I've seen in my lifetime that is going to reverse and suddenly go down here to under 8 to deliver a nice deflation. This is an absolute explosion. And if you wish to argue with that, good luck to you. This is something that is set to continue for quite some time. Okay, so I said that's the monthly going back here to 1999. That's a 1-2. and I think that there is a good scope here. Let me see, we'll have to open it on the daily to show you all the details, but we had a correction here, believe it or not. We are getting here a running correction in the market that just doesn't stop looking up. Okay, I think that that's the daily now, going back to May 2007. One wave count that accommodates what we see here is that we are taking this is a 1, 2, all the run up here we take as 1, brief correction 2, explosion up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you really have to go again to the details here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The triangle began from here, right here. We had an A, B, C, D, E. Triangle over. Line supporting the rally intact, absolutely intact. You must have this line on your chart, and if my reading is correct here, silver is all ready. That's A, B, C, D, E. Silver is absolutely ready to continue the explosion up. Let me show you the 60 minutes. This is the crucial line for us. It mustn't go under this line. This past its usefulness. Let's take the 60 minutes. And as you noticed, I have not put any labelings here on the 60 minutes. In contrast to what I've seen in gold, this actually seems to me like a nice triangle. So in the case of silver, that could actually play out as a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4 punch up, and silver will come down to correct. So silver, in my opinion, if I'm getting this right, silver is heading for some pause in its explosive run in the beginning of the year. So what I have in mind is something like that. Silver correcting as low as 30, 20, 30, and that could be a good entry point. But there is risk. You have to be aware. Silver is a currency, whether it goes up or down, can go into an absolute extremely fast move. So be really careful. This is a line that you must have on your chart. This is a level you must respect. If silver breaks through this, you got no business staying long. For very short-term trading, you got no business staying long, because that means that we entered probably a correction that will go on for quite some time. Silver holding, in my opinion, look here, as I said, staying above 30, good news for the bulls. I think it is likely to stay above 29.50, most likely, if it is really heading a lot higher. So that's the situation with silver. You see in front of your eyes what the politicians are saying. As silver says, just don't believe it. Don't believe it. They are not taking care of the money. They are not taking care of you. Hello again. If you like some further information about my website, my services, all you have to do is click on home at the page which you are right now. That takes you to the home page of my website. I have a page on Twitter. You are welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but from time to time I do make some comments. I've got 3 articles here that I've written. You may like to take a look. Here's testimonial submitted by an active trader that is using my service. There are more testimonials right here. I have an affiliate program. You are most welcome to join. You don't have to be a subscriber. Links to my videos speaks for itself, but I do have a new YouTube channel that actually covers the recent videos. I haven't had a chance to actually update that, and it also includes a video explaining about a weekend product. So if you are searching for that new YouTube channel, please type EW Practitioner, EW Practitioner in one word when you go on YouTube, and that takes you to the channel and you will see all the videos. RN Elliott, that's a section where you can download a full-scale book. I suggest you do that if you're interested seriously in learning about the wave principle. That is an excellent first step. Private policy terms of use, These are standard categories. Why join? Read that to see in which ways I think I can help traders at different levels. Subscribe here. That's where you take practical steps to subscribe to my service. I have 3 ways in which you can use my service. You can either take an introductory offer, which is just 1 week. It is a one-off, meaning you can't use it repeatedly. You can use it one time. It's only $9.99. It gives you access for 7 videos. Today's video, plus the chart, plus every single video that I'll record in the coming week, and the charts. And after 1 week, you make up your mind. You want to continue. You use the other any of the other options. The second option is a weekend product, where I allow you to access the weekend videos plus the charts, and that is priced substantially below the normal product, which is really directed at very intensive traders, people who can watch the market every day and can make use, can actually digest all that information that is being churned by the market every single day. And the third product is the full product that costs €79 only per month. That gives you access to a lot of information, a lot of setups that are run through every single day, and basically keeps you really in fully informed about the many various markets that I cover. I'm also open to some suggestions. If you come on board on the full product or any other products, please feel free to ask me if there is a specific market that you like me to cover. I can't promise that I'll cover it every day. I'll do my best to cover it from time to time, or at least have a good look at it. That's contact us if you have any problem whatsoever. Get in touch with me. I'm here to help. Tell a friend. Spread the word. By all means, I would appreciate a helping hand. Downloads. That way you can download charts that I put on in the public area. You can see the kind of work that I do. Recommended reading list. Go ahead. They are fairly it's not as extensive as I would have wished to put here. I just don't have enough time to update it. I have many more books that I would like to put. I need more time to go through that, but there are quite a lot of books here, and also some links to download full-scale books. So go ahead and take a look. Frequently asked questions. That's where you really have to come back to this. If you decided to subscribe, that will help you to find where to find past videos, past charts, etc. Useful links, speaks for itself, and that's about it. So I hope to hear from you, hope to see you on my website, exploring a bit what's going on, and get in touch with me. The slightest question you have, whatever crosses your mind, I'll be glad to help. Wishing you successful trading. Have a great week. Bye now.